Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Meet and signing in with your school account so you keep classes separate from personal apps. Once done, create a meeting directly or schedule via Google Calendar. Copy the join link into the class post so students have one-click access. Make sure to test your camera and microphone and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Use headphones to cut echo. Doing these steps now prevents delays when students arrive. Once the meeting starts, engage host controls so you manage flow and reduce interruptions. You can mute participants, admit late joiners, and restrict chat. Doing this helps maintain order. When presenting, share the specific window or Chrome tab for clearer video and check share audio for clips. Use breakout rooms for group work, launch polls for quick checks, and enable recording if allowed so absent students can review. These tools make the session. To finish, stop the recording and end the meeting for everyone or leave a co-host to continue. Recordings save automatically to Drive so you can share them later. Once done, post the recording link and any slides or notes in your LMS or calendar event so students can review. If something breaks, like no audio or frozen video, reload the Meet tab, try a supported browser, or switch to your phone hotspot. These quick fixes resolve most issues without losing the class.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.